I am hungry today. I am hungry today. Let's make some dinner. Let's make some dinner. First, I wash my hands. First, I wash my hands. Now I open the fridge. Now I open the fridge. I need some fresh vegetables. I need some fresh vegetables. I take out a big tomato. I take out a big tomato. I wash the tomato under water. I wash the tomato under water. I put it on the cutting board. I put it on the cutting board. I cut the tomato carefully. I cut the tomato carefully. Next, I chop an onion. Next, I chop an onion. My eyes feel a little watery. My eyes feel a little watery. I turn on the kitchen stove. I turn on the kitchen stove. I put a pan on the stove. I put a pan on the stove. I pour some olive oil inside. I pour some olive oil inside. The pan is getting hot. The pan is getting hot. I add the chopped onion. I add the chopped onion. I mix it with a large spoon. I mix it with a large spoon. It smells very good now. It smells very good now. Now I add the red tomatoes. Now I add the red tomatoes. I open a pack of pasta. I open a pack of pasta. I boil water in another pot. I boil water in another pot. I put the pasta in the water. I put the pasta in the water. I wait for 10 minutes. I wait for 10 minutes. The pasta is ready now. The pasta is ready now. I pour the warm red sauce over it. I pour the warm red sauce over it. I add a little salt and pepper. I add a little salt and pepper. I put the food on a clean plate. I put the food on a clean plate. Dinner looks absolutely beautiful. Dinner looks absolutely beautiful. Time to eat my warm dinner. Time to eat my warm dinner. Wow, this tastes amazing. Wow, this tastes amazing.